Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we will take a look at what are factory functions and how can we implement it inside our JavaScript program. So basically, factory functions are those functions which return a new object every time whenever they are called, right? So let's write a function like generate profile, and let's pass two parameters. The first one is name and second one is dot age, and then in this function we will return an object with the name of name, age is going to be age, and we will pass a function as well, get profile. This will return my name is name and my age is age. So let's just call it console.log generate profile David and then 30. So if I come over here, then as you can see that we are receiving our object. So if I want to call dot get profile, then we can receive my name is David and my age is 30. So this is how you can create factory functions. So whenever you want to return a new object, then just create a factory function and it will do all the stuff related to your requirement. Okay, so this is it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.